Hi, my name is Kelly Wiggins. I teach anatomy and physiology on South Campus, Anatomy and Physiology 1 and 2. I'm presently using the synchronous mode to teach. Um, the scenario that I chose was number 3. Cassandra comes to every class, but she doesn't seem to always be paying attention. She just sits in the back and looks down for most of the class period. She never raises her hand to answer questions and doesn't seem interested in participating in group discussions. Cassandra is not a disruption to others, but you know she would get more out of class if she would interact with you, her classmates, and the course content more. What's your response? So historically, what I've done, I keep Lifesavers in a drawer by the podium. And when I find somebody is really being disinterested, I already walk around anyway, and so I'll just drop a little Lifesaver mint pre-wrapped on their desk and just keep walking. Do it very subtly, and sometimes it's because they're tired. Sometimes I guess it's because they're distracted. And if I find that I have to do that more than once to that particular student, I stalk them in the hallway. I wait for them I kind of watch their pattern and, are they Coke people or snack people or whatever, are they last minute people? That makes it a little harder. And I just try and walk with them to class and say, hey, how are you doing? I've noticed that, maybe you're a little distracted, and is there something I can help you with? This semester, what I've done is emails. That stalking thing actually works amazingly 90% of the time, kind of like this exercise makes us reflect. I think it makes them reflect too. This semester, I've been doing emails, 70% response. So, as I reflect on what I can do once we get back to the classroom, I really loved the active learning style from McGill University. The instructor's name was Linda Frazier, and she has her podium in the middle of the classroom, and then the students have tables. I don't know how feasible this is, but man, I can try. Because her response was, it makes them talk, it makes them react with each other, and it makes them discover parts of themselves they didn't know were there. And then a student said how much they all talked about how much they really liked it. It's a missed opportunity to not hear another person's ideas. And I thought, wow, that's so smart. And then finally for me, just watching that video, there was so much chatter the whole 5 minutes. And that just makes me happy. And I think that would make us all happy to hear the students seem like they're enjoying it. So there isn't that Cassandra on the back of the classroom.